Ume have been cherished in Japan for centuries. They've long been a staple in everyday diets, known for their health benefits. Located on the western side of the Kii Peninsula, Wakayama is a mountainous region with nearly 80% of its land covered in rugged terrain. It's also Japan's largest producer of ume, thanks to its ideal climate and conditions. The warm climate and mineral-rich soil of this southern region create ideal conditions for ume cultivation. In Wakayama, the primary variety grown is the Nanko ume. This large, thin-skinned ume has soft, tender flesh and a distinctive aroma, making it one of Japan's most prized varieties. Nanko ume is used to make everything from umeboshi to umeshu, jams, and juices. The heart of this ume cultivation is in the Minabe-Tanabe areas. Here, for over 400 years, ume have been grown using sustainable farming methods. These efforts were recognized by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, which designated the Minabe-Tanabe Ume System as a globally important agricultural heritage system. This system identifies regions worldwide that preserve traditional agriculture, along with the cultural practices, land use techniques, landscapes, and biodiversity that sustain it. In this area, a unique agricultural system has developed. It uses poor soil to grow ume while conserving the surrounding forests. These forests, in turn, provide charcoal for local industries and habitats for honeybees, crucial for ume pollination. The secret to this centuries-long success lies in two key elements. The first is the bees. Many of the ume varieties grown in Minabe-Tanabe cannot self-pollinate. This means different ume trees are planted nearby, and pollination occurs with the help of Japanese honeybees. Pollinating by hand would be impossible for the hundreds of trees, so these bees are vital partners. In early spring, when there are few other flowers, the ume blossoms provide a critical source of nectar for the bees, helping them thrive. The second key is the Ubamegashi oak tree forests. The Ubamegashi oak tree is so prevalent in Wakayama that it's been named the official tree of the prefecture. These forests are the unsung heroes of the mountains. In this area, there's a long-standing practice of leaving Ubamegashi forests intact, rather than converting the entire mountain into ume orchards. The gravelly, sloping terrain is perfect for ume cultivation due to its excellent drainage, but the soil is shallow and prone to erosion. The Ubamegashi oak tree forests prevent landslides and enhance soil fertility and water retention, supporting the farming below. The Ubamegashi oak tree is also the source of high-quality Kishu bean choton charcoal. Since the 1700s, a method called selective cutting has been used. This involves leaving the thinner branches to grow into future trees, allowing the forest to regenerate sustainably. Charcoal makers have maintained these forests in a healthy state, ensuring their continued use for generations. Thanks to these forests, not just the ume farmers but everyone involved in mountain agriculture can sustain their livelihoods. The harmonious relationship between ume and Ubamegashi oak tree has shaped the unique landscape of this area. It's a testament to the sustainable farming methods passed down through the years. Though some ume farming now takes place on flatlands to stabilize agriculture, most of the cultivation still happens on the mountain slopes. Despite the poor soil, local farmers have worked together, innovating ways to make a living from the land. Their culture of coexisting with nature, reaping its rewards responsibly, has been passed down through the generations. The Minabe-Tanabe Ume system will continue to evolve, preserving this unique way of life for the future.